Hi, this is Joe with Landshack.com, and today we're going to go over how to fusion splice two fiber optic strands together. So first we are going to prep the fiber and strip off the outer jacket with nibbling off outer jacket in 30mm segments. Then you're going to strip off the acrylite coating using the fiber stripper in a smooth perpendicular motion. Then dab a lint-free wipe in fiber optic cleaning solution to wipe off the coating. Slide the wipe towards the end of the fiber once or twice until it squeaks. The squeak indicates the fiber is clean. Next, you're going to load the fiber into the cleaver unit. So open the body cover and put the stripped fiber on the V-groove. Then close the holder cover. Close the main cover and move the slider forward to cleave the fiber. Next, you're going to place the fiber in the clamp-style fiber holder and clamp down the fiber. Now you're going to repeat the process on the other fiber strand, but do not forget to slide on the protective sleeve first. So cut back the outer jacket, strip the acrylite coating, clean the fiber with the lint-free wipes and solution, use the fiber cleaver to cleave the fiber, and then put the second strand in the clamp-style holder. Now you're going to close the lid and check for accuracy. Hit the set button once, and if there is a cleave error, repeat the process. If accuracy is achieved, hit the set button once more, and the splice will complete. Then, open up both clamp-style fiber holders and slide the protection sleeve to cover the exposed fusion splice. Next, put the sleeve in the protective sleeve heater, close the lid, and the sleeve will set automatically. This will take about 30 seconds. And then the unit beeps to indicate it is complete. Move the fiber to the cooling tray, and you're done.